Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Goodfellow, Day of Fair, APR Edema NLA Manager. Ora Samuel Wuku Manager NLA. Kasama for no. Goodfellow, Martin.
That's a million. Major son of a.
Oh, Apomo Bako, dear.
Maybe Aboko.
You, my young commander say, last papers now free. Ala te ba no aguka mu a say who you say e ho asem nwehwe mu na ko say
no conversation there e wo security operatives no and their report and some because there were some security concerns and some smuggling and so concerns as well our mancha e ho to on identity there so I taking it up.
Fantastic. Whether na Ghana 4% wo mu hu dia kwasintina media cutting razor no back to
a good update.
All right. Back to your substantive issue for Anopei. Over the weekend yenyan ntiyasa wo boss ne semtrefo CI. Na among issues are no mo bo ho nkomo baako. Reviewing the contract between KGL Technology Limited. Yebisao eno no ede na wo mu a enu nten wo behia se besan so review biem.
Oh nana we dey mama infa akwanya nso enda wase entia wo no wachief.
Yeah, that's it.
Na KGL contract no before you are Sawaleko ebe take up the authority as Director General no. Now there were a lot of concerns, there were a lot of agitation within the workers' union themselves, within lotto marketing companies from LMC. Now there were some concerns about the valuation of the contract. Now, Kofofu said we could have done more. You know, as a new person who took over the realms of affairs, you know, now he had to have a frank conversation about it. And you know, Oba, you know, he did a lot of assessments. He had to also look at all the issues. Some were asking for a total cancellation of the contract. Now, a binding contract, and so on. There are other repercussions. Now, upon sound advice from our legal, the company lawyers, from management, from the board, you know, we decided at this stage, you know, cancelling it, you know, wouldn't be prudent. Because I know to make a judgment that about authority uniform. And you know, what he opted to do was to have a frank conversation about the various sections of the contract, you know, and to also engage the company. And you know, and no one in common na media for on Saturday. Say, what you mean? I a renegotiation of the contract. Yaba into a certain understanding say that NLA is not going to accept not less than 45 million.
Mobile Nancy.
Yeah, balance. In fact, the previous figure was around 20 million. And you know, he's been able to get close to more than 100% upwards adjustment to the contract, and I think that is laudable.
Auntie, good fellows, said na some operators ni bi ka say na hunya pa say we dey mobile ye aseminya say mo tackle ma wo mo owing to the fact say ebekwa akọ wiase no na akọ say de nua ba ma ware asan so se bi eburu mpanimfo manimu a san so de to aka ho say aso mefa nka ho KGL eba no na operators ni bi say omumum be benefit at the expense of the NLA. Santi ene no mama ye hu ye sana na etie.
The argument is in twofold. Nana, the first part of the argument, you know, and it's KDL, no, they are operating in a digital space. And you know, we've also one of the challenges are over the period assessing the performance of the authority. You know, actually, most of our customer base, the young people, they are drifting towards betting and gaming. Because I know to meet Tinani them uncle Dina Lotto Kios to be a or to meet the comfort of his home, no chat or chanaba. No chat no predicting a game. You can never na be good phone so or no be any interaction. Uncle Dina Lotto Kios be a home, Mobia consider the we minua bana the minua bema in the Dina Lotto Kios on. And you know, there was some generational shift that we needed to address.
Okay, FM.
And the other challenge is also that the LMCs also thought that because of that comfort, you know, a lot of their customers also will not come to the kiosk to also come and do business. In there are two ways, and technology is advancing. And then which means now the market, which means bigger. I will phone so putting request. Now we might deliver amount. Sana de bia me boss again. Those times, so person only would be I'm on a bidding nkomo telephone. So this is what PNC. No. I have to get the name right. Your friend is Oko baby now. One more call.
Communication center. Na ebuaha this the amount of time papa unipa no be friend no about bit so and phone boot so dey no be gi him
phone boot so be mu sisi ano obi a on phone
sir
sisi ano kra no it's not apart from the phone calls no kra no to me video call real time ehu on pa ko nanim enti technology is advancing and we needed to find a way to also catch the space. I'm sure it's in that vein, and the previous management decided that we have to also vent into the digital space and also rake in some more revenue. Because speaking to my a bit of a survey in the university tertiary school education level, and the young people will tell you that good fellow going to stand at the local kiosk to take lotto problematic. If you can have an app or you can do it at a convenience of your home, that's what they will prefer. And I'm sure the thinking of management then was that we need to find a way to also enter the digital space, and that's how come KGL came. And there's some concerns from the LMPs. Also, I feel it's one more sales are confirmed. As part of this negotiation, the Director General assigned I'll go further apart from Sika Beba NL. Was I go further? Say KGL Sika be NCO every year for what we call mitigation. You chat there 2 million cedis as part of the negotiations. I had the mitigation. I'm a LMC. Sika, in our opinion, we feel that the LMC, say every year, one more Sika are shorted by maybe 3 or 2 million, 3 million. Yeah, 2 million FKD or Achamo to also bring down some of their operational costs. The introduction of the data lottery affecting. Again, as part of the negotiation that the Director General has been able to do over the period, was I negotiated to the point that KDL has agreed to also put in 1 million cedis for the authority to use as a certain pension scheme, because the LMCs normally if you meet them, say why 40 years, he's still doing it. He can't retire because there's no opportunity to get anything as pension. Into the Bima, you may still one more bonko crab, but a Juma won't say, still one more year you may. And then Saturday you started, that I'm sure that by now they'll be comfortable and they would have had something that they can retire with. And, you know, as part of the current negotiation, apart from Sika KD or Bichama authority, you assign Oma Kaomasi as almost my 1 million cedis every year, Yadibaya pension fund, Ama one to mitigate the pain, mitigate some of the losses, and also to get them something at the end of their stewardship to the authority in Ghana. And you know, as much as possible, I think that the Director General has done a very excellent job around managing this KDL debacle that confronted the NLA some time ago. One more negotiation. I want to negotiate very hard for the authority and for the stakeholders. KDL Jumano are affecting. I think that is a laudable one.
I was for any PRO, Edema, Director General, Dima, NLA. Good fellow, they are fan, the attitude. Good fellow, I mean, I'm not okay. This school of thought, sir, previous administration, you know, one due diligence as far as KGL contract is concerned. One more bro. One more enter into the contract with the best interest of the nation not at heart. One is half on a yard. Owing to review ya bene sika ya head from way.
Nana, am I not entirely correct to have that position? Because Nana started before there's some uncertainty.
Sure.
Only how the market will accept it. And so that's how come there's provisions for reviews and for re-engagement. Intermediate people have that position. I will not fault them because of almost started but I'm going to nanka I'm going na revenues I'm na one more expected the projections that they did in nanka people will not talk about it. There's a certain conservative approach to it. And sincerely, Nana, that's what I feel maybe the previous approach was. But moving forward, no, say yabaya one year Juma Kakaya, who send a Jumane call, who send a Tieno. That's how come these negotiations are happening. And it's not going to be a static arrangement. That's a general kind, you know. We are going to keep on reviewing it, managing and also expecting that as the market grow and as the rate expands, you know, yeah, so we'll be able to rake in more. And you know, I will not fault anybody. It was a gray area. No, if we move into the digital space, people will accept it as it's been accepted now.
Okay.
And you know, I will not fault anybody. I will not fault the company. I will not fault the previous Director General and management about this process at all.
Now, NLA plans. NLA plans is some way expanded the lottery business to all parts of the country. You know, I started the bang. At the moment, we have 15 offices spread across the country. Okay.
New regions here, the president, year 2019, we don't have representation there. So we don't have regional offices, we don't have any district offices in any of those regions. And, you know, if we want to be competitive, now the lottery business, you know, now we are looking at the close to about 75% of our market is being controlled by private lottery operators. I am from banker to banking. But it's also because we are not spread across the country. And you know, the only office in the Upper East region, Bonga, now Obifi Navrongo, now Oye Jumana the machine. I just a Ofaka from Navrongo Eba Bonga, Ebe repair the machine. But Senkayo office in so Navrongo, Nanka the machine is say no akko. So talk credit. Egu the machine so no akko. And because of the operational inefficiencies, that's how come we've lost a lot of our market. But the current Director General, we've done some very good assessment. The means that and spreading itself all across, but strategically, we are looking at some of the very dense populated areas. We share Lotia. It is people who are 18 years and above, and which are hearing. Sometimes they make the argument that the age bracket, 18 years and above. Then we can use the EC statistics to determine where our market concentration can be. It will share easier. The largest constituencies, one almost super, we share Domingo Benya, we share Masamai, we share Adenta, we share Kichu. There are places that we don't have offices that can service the local business. And it's something that we are working at. Now, we are looking at by first quarter next year, we can get a very solid representation across the country in terms of office and office deployment, so that you be to me about LMCs now. Because the only incentive that somebody will sell for banker to banker is a prompt payment. And no, you do juma by close of the year. You be to your backlog now. You be nyesika. Some selected banks so we deal with it now. China, we to make akwa zika. Into the resolve this our problem this year. Now you sign a resolve the operational challenges. Will be the machine say will be pay creditable the machine so will be network any juma. You be to me officer be akwa repair man as soon as possible. See to me yes I know I'm sure the revenue drive that you as a start here. We can be able to achieve that target.
Yeah, that's not pay.
Mr. Me chairman, in come back now, me chairman of Prempeh College. Mr. Men fanning compare me offer. Men fanning compare me offer. The chairman of Prempeh College.
And I make offer competition,
Competition way there.
On one offer you.
Me offer, but it's a competition way there. I've taken a position. The chairman for Prempeh College. You don't mean compare no to the chairman.
And you acrobat to a number guasi.
Acrobat to a number guasi.
Now, good fellow, sir, agglomerating, no conglomerating, no. Now, grow for fees, a year brophobia on one manufacturer. Sir, a house for dictionary move brofu.
Oh, for Prempeh College. Are you senior?
But I'm what to or so on one say, when you dear. And I want to so castle Prempeh College of
Prempeh College. Into the alphabet to no offer. Wait there, competition with them.
And money has said, that's not a good fellow. I'm so for PR Edema Director General NLA Samuel Wuku. And the other come on, you're a good fellow, day of fair. Bringing the time to 9 minutes after 9.
Okay, FM 101.7.